What do you guys want to catch?
Snakeheads.
Snakeheads? We're gonna have to go get some lures for that.
Yeah.
Do you know what they eat?
Frogs.
Frogs. We've never caught one before, but I think we could go try it. We're in the right area. So, we just ran by Bass Pro, and we've never been snakehead fishing.
Yeah.
And we picked up 4 frogs, 2 live target frogs. I'll show you. You're tying it on right now.
Yeah.
This guy right here, that's a live target frog. That's Fisher's. And I tied on a scum frog launch series. This one right here. Fisher,
What?
any bets?
First snakehead.
First snakehead?
Biggest snakehead.
Biggest snakehead. Okay.
Do we have our weight?
No, but we'll know which one's bigger if we catch one. All right, the bet is biggest. And here's the deal. You owe me $40 for your broken rod that I just replaced for you, right? Okay. If you catch a bigger one than me, you don't have to pay.
What? Okay.
But
that means I get
But-
$40?
no, that means, yeah, basically, the money you owe me, you don't have to pay me.
Okay.
But if I catch one bigger than you owe me 40 pull-ups and 40 pull-ups and $20. I pay 50 cents a pull-up. Yes? Hey, Reef. What are you doing? He's gonna probably beat both of us. Do you really have a snakehead? Or a largemouth? You shook him off.
That was a snakehead. That was a snake. No, it wasn't. It was. It's okay.
Whoa, you always do that when you get excited. That was a good cast, huh? Are you jealous, Reef? Catch one, Reef. Okay. Get it up here, Hubbard. I just missed one.
Oh, it's biting so hard. I think
Keep your tip up. Keep your tip up. I think that might be a huge. No. Don't break it off.
What is
Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Fisher, that was a huge fish. It looks like a big largemouth. Baby, take your time. Don't keep your rod back. Keep the line tight. Keep the line tight. Just keep it tight. Look, there's the bubbles. Keep the line tight, bub. I think you should walk the other way in the weeds or something.
Where did it explode? Back there?
It exploded on the other side, like big explosion. At the same time, I missed a small explosion. Tip up, Fisher. Oh boy. Oh boy. Fisher, you're gonna have to let me help you.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh.
Keep it tight.
Oh.
That's a
The
snakehead.
snakehead. That's a snakehead. Here, Dad.
Okay, don't break it. Don't break your rod. Fisher, you're gonna have to go down there and grab him.
Oh. Get him.
Keep it tight, keep it tight. Keep it tight. He's got a monster snakehead. Keep it tight. Remember, they got teeth. You touched them, it counts. Reef, get back, Reef. Reef, get the rod. Reef, get the rod. Get him up here. These guys, those kids. What do you got?
Oh, snakehead!
You got a snakehead?
Yes.
You sure do. You sure do.
Really crushed my frog.
Holy cow. Good thing you didn't say first one, you said biggest one. I got a chance still. Hey, that's your dream fish, right?
I got so much teeth in there.
But isn't that your dream fish that you've been saying you want to catch?
Yes.
Hey, don't stick your thumb in there. I'll get the hook out.
But look at this.
Oh, turn them side.
This is huge.
That's pretty cool. Well, let's get a measurement on the rod. Reef, can you hand me Fisher's rod?
He's probably like
So look,
1 foot long.
you put the tail here. He's more than 1 foot long, bub. Straighten him out. So from the tip,
Like,
he goes to what letter?
rod.
The G. Yeah, to the rod. All right, so then we can check the measurement at home. All right, let him go.
And let's say,
Hey, congrats. So far you're winning the bets. You don't have to pay for your rod and you don't owe me any pull-ups. Reef does now.
I didn't
Toss them.
beautiful fish.
He crushed that thing, huh?
I got thorns on them.
Let's do it again.